Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create. It's look pretty simple, and also it's pretty simple. You can create it easily. Let's start. You need just install PowerPoint presentation and then copy this picture. There's a picture that I increased in size and also rotated. Nothing special about that. Then you need this text. There is nothing special in that. Then go to copy this slide. Use the crop option. Reduce it to the size you want. Something like this, for example. Okay, it's good. Then you just simply bring this to the top and color this black, or as I like, you can always use other colors. For example, I like to eyedrop the colors from here, and let me just white it. It's pretty thick. Now I copy this thing and paste it here and set the transition to morph. Your slide is ready. Let's take a look. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.